Hello everyone, myself is Dr. Incommodity, Associate Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In this video, we'll discuss about user-defined functions. So what is function? What is the use of function? Right? So before going for the definition of functions, we'll understand what is the use of function. So function helps to divide the program into separate, well-defined functions. Facilitates each function to be written and tested separately. Right? So if you are using some operation again and again, we don't have to repeat those lines again and again in the main program. We can write it somewhere out of the main program or source code, and we can call that for any number of times. So this function will make the understanding, coding and testing multiple separate functions are far easier. So if I want to write the matrix multiplication operator, I can only write 5 lines in the main program. Okay, function 1, that is matrix multiplication, function 2 matrix addition, function 3 matrix subtraction, function 4 and matrix division, right? And those functions I can write somewhere else. So for the user, or if you are writing the function to third party, you can easily understand what are the tasks performed by this program, or it clearly gives the outline of the program. Okay. So by avoiding countless lines in one main function can have only 5 or 6 lines, or as minimum number of lines as it is possible, right? So what done by each line will be defined somewhere else or written somewhere else. It is just like a content sheet. So main program will just look like a content sheet. So just like any book, what you can see contents, right? You can only see the content page, chapter name, topic name, and all those things. And detail it will be given in the subsequent sheets. Similar to that, what function also works. So there are functions you can also see observing C library, which contain set of pre-written and pre-tested functions. These pre-written and pre-tested functions can be used without worrying about their code details. Right? For example, you can use this sine function is there, cos function is there. Right? If you see another programs like MATLAB and all, or you can see mat multiplication is there, differentiation, integration and all you can see there. So you can use directly those functions without worrying about the coding part, because already those are coded by the experts and tested. Then only they are implemented in the software. Just like in C also we have some more text concatenation option, right? And we can cut the print only mm, first few letters of the text or last few letters of the text, right? So size of the operator, that that is also function it is there, right? Those functions you can directly use. So just like C, programmer can also write some functions and they can be used whenever it is wanted by the programmer. Workload of big programs can be shared among programmers by writing different functions, right? So you can write a different these, if the entire program can be divided into different modules, and each module can be assigned to different people, so that parallelly more number of people are working on the same project. Finally, you can combine all those modules to deliver the complete project. So therefore, function can be defined as a named block of code that performs a specific task or a set of tasks. Right? Some statement blocks we are going to name with some user from a meaningful name, some meaningful name. So that function may be used to carry out the specific task or a set of tasks. So these functions are often reusable, modular components of a program, allowing user to organize code and break it into smaller manageable pieces. Just like earlier I told, these functions can be divided into different modules and can be assigned to different peoples. Those peoples can work parallelly, and all those modules can be combined to make the final product which can be delivered to the client.